Hey everyone, what's cooking? This is arguably the most photographed and filmed kitchen in the entire city. Why? Because the seller is a well-known chef who's filmed many of her Food Network shows right here. And in fact, her James Beard award-winning cookbook was shot right in this spot. So it got me thinking, if I were to cook up the perfect one bedroom, what would be my top ingredients? A cheesy hook? Maybe. But this is an awesome apartment, so stay with me. The foundation for my recipe has to start with a floor plan. Here we have one that features a spacious layout with a separate alcove that works well as a dining area or easily converts to a 2-bedroom. And for me, the perfect 1-bedroom is going to showcase some outdoor space. Check out this private balcony that's over 100 square feet. It's perfect for morning coffee and evening cocktails. Throw in a lot of storage space, king-size bedroom, this open kitchen, and you've got yourself a serving of fine living with a Central Park West address. After that, you want to mix in some views. Here we have a bright southern exposure with Central Park to the left. And you may want to serve it up with some of the lowest carrying costs around. Your monthlies here are super sweet, coming in at just $130 per square foot. That's 14A at 392 Central Park West, and my recipe for the perfect 1-bedroom. Hope you like it. Bon appetit.